Good day. So today we are going to solve arithmetic means. Pag sinabi nating arithmetic means, it is the terms between two non-consecutive terms. For example, insert 3 arithmetic means between 2 and 38. Ibig sabihin, may tatlong terms sa pagitan ng 2 and 38. So, illustrate muna natin kung paano ito. So, we are going to put 2. May tatlong terms, 1, 2, and 3. Then, 38. Ibig sabihin, may tatlong terms, may tatlong arithmetic means sa pagitan ng 2 and 38. Ang tawag dito sa tatlong terms na ito ay arithmetic means. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito ay isosolve natin to gamit ang arithmetic formula. Ano yung arithmetic formula? A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So, yan. Substitution tayo. So, ano ba ang magiging value ng ating A sub n? So, nag-i-indicate ito kung ilang terms ba meron ang sequence. So, bilangin natin kung ilang terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, meron tayong 5 terms. Ibig sabihin meron tayong A sub 5 is equal to, ano ba ang A sub 1 natin? Yung unang terms, 2. Yan. Plus, ano ang value ng ating n? Kung ilang terms meron tayo, yun din ang value ng n. So, meron tayong 5 terms. Minus 1. So, ang d, or common difference, hindi natin mahanap ang value nito o maisa-substitute ang value nito dahil wala dito ang consecutive terms. So, we are going to solve for d para mahanap natin ang ibang terms. Okay, so we are going to bring down d, or the common difference. Ano ang value ng A sub 5? Yung panglima, 38. 38. Equals, bring down natin yung 2 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 times d, 4d. Yan. So, next is, we are going to group the constant. Tatranspose natin yung constant na 2 sa kabila. Bring down natin yung 38. Bring down 38. So, itong positive 2, kapag tig-transpose natin, it will become negative 2 or minus 2. Equals. Bring down 4d. Next, subtract natin. 38 minus 2 is 36 equals 4d. Tig-bring down lang natin ulit yung 4d. So, for us to eliminate 4, the numerical coefficient 4, we are going to divide both side by 4. So, divide tayo dito ng 4. Divide din tayo dito ng 4. So, 4 divided 4 is 1, or we are going to cancel it out. So, anong matatada? Anong matitira? D. So, sa kabila, 36 divided by 4 is ilan? 36 divided by 4 is 9. Yan. So, meron na tayong common difference na 9. So, ang common difference, ang i-add natin sa unang terms to get the following terms. So, 2 plus 9, we have 11. Yan. Next, mag-add tayo dito ng 9. So, 11 plus 9 is 20. Yan. 20 plus 9 29. Okay. So, meron tayong tatlong arithmetic means na 11, 20, and 29. So, let's proceed to another example. Okay, let us proceed to another example. Insert for arithmetic means between 13 and negative 17. So, lagay tayo ng 13. Tapos, ilang arithmetic means? 4. So, lagay tayo ng 4 terms. Sa gitna, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, yung panghuli ay negative 17. So, yan. Ang hanapin natin ay common difference for us to find the next terms or for us to find the arithmetic means. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng formula ng arithmetic sequence, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Yan. So, substitute ulit tayo. Ano ba ang magiging value ng a sub n natin or ng last term? So, ilan lahat ng terms ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, meron tayong 6 terms. That's why we have a sub 6 equals. Ano ba ang value ng a sub 1? Ito, 13. Plus, ano ba ang magiging value ng ating n? Since meron tayong 6 na terms, that is why ang value ng ating n is 6. Bring down minus 1. Then, since walang common difference, bring down d. Now, substitute the value of a sub 6. Ano ba ang value ng a sub 6? We have negative 17. So, negative 17 equals 13 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 times d, 5d. Yan, 5d. Next, we are going to transpose 13. Okay. I-group natin yung constant. So, bring down natin yung negative 17. Yung positive 13, kapag tig-transpose natin sa kabila, magiging negative 13 or minus 13 na siya. Equals, bring down 5d. Yan. Next, negative 17 minus 13, we have negative 30. So, kinumbine natin. Dahil like terms, we are going to combine. Or like sign, we are going to combine. So, negative 17 minus 13 is negative 30. Bring down 5d. So, for us to eliminate 5d, we are going to divide both side by 5. Divide tayo dito ng 5 and divide din tayo dito ng 5. Okay, next. 5 divide 5, 1 or cancel it out. Ano ang natira dito? D. Next, sa kabila, negative 30 divide 5 is equal to negative 6. So, meron na tayong value ng common difference which is negative 6. So, ang negative 6 ang i-add natin sa first term to get the next terms. So, 13 plus negative 6, we have positive 7. Ayan. So, 13 plus negative 6 is equal to positive 7. Positive 7 plus negative 6, we have positive 1. And positive 1 plus negative 6, we have negative 5. and negative 5 plus negative 6, we have negative 11. So, ayan. So, meron tayong for arithmetic means na 7, 1, negative 5, and negative 11.